Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be mean to Dave again. I know I'm terrible, right? Well, this Van Leeuwen is all the rage. Everybody's been doing taste tests on them. And we didn't have them at our Walmart. We finally got them in. They don't have the pizza one, or I would have got that one. But what I'm going to do is it's going to be a blindfold test. Yay, he loves those. And actually, I'll have them in this order here. We have bourbon, cherries, jubilee, hot honey, and Grey Poupon with salted pretzels. And I'll have him blindfolded taste each one to see if he can guess what flavors they are and to see if he likes them or not. So I'll see you when Dave gets home for the blindfolded taste test. All right, so I have Dave sitting here. We have another blindfold on him because he didn't like the first one and the second one didn't fit. This one is a boring looking one. So what we're going to do, is, he's going to try 3 different flavors of ice cream. And he's going to tell me what flavor they are and whether he likes them or not. Here is the first one.
Can I make a request?
Yes.
Cookies and cream.
No.
No? Okay. Is it here? Oh, there it is.
Might be a little bit hard. It came out of the freezer.
We have a freezer?
I just had it in a snowbank.
Is there anything on my spoon?
Yeah. Oh, you got the whole thing.
Is there anything on my spoon?
No.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
There you go.
It's kind of a, I don't know, pineapple? Is there any pineapple in this?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
You got some.
Got some?
Do you like it?
Yeah, actually, I like it. I don't know. To get some?
Yep.
I don't know what it is,
Okay.
but I do like it.
Okay. It is bourbon cherry jubilee.
Huh. Okay. Well, I didn't really taste it. So it got real bourbon in it?
I'll have to look. I'm not sure.
Oh, this is, you didn't make this or you bought this or?
I bought it.
Okay.
This is the second one.
I get some?
A little bit. It fell off your spoon. Not the best thing to eat blindfolded. Yes.
Is that buttered pecan?
No.
Is this some kind of a maple walnut something?
No. Do you like it?
Yeah, there's something crunchy in it. Take you some?
Yes.
It's kind of spicy, actually.
Well, you'd be correct on that.
What, I mean, it's got like a little bit of a kick to it. Like a, I don't know.
But you do like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
And I don't really taste whatever the kick is. I don't really taste it in the ice cream. It's like after I swallow it and it's gone, there's a little bit of a burn, kind of, sort of. But yeah, I like it.
Okay, that one is hot honey.
Huh. Okay.
And this is the third one.
So that last one, I guess those crunchy pieces were like Red Hots or something. I don't know. I can't tell the person. Is there anything on the spoon?
No.
This one is evasive. Is that the flavor? Evasive? Is there?
Okay, yes. Oh, that's a way big bite. Okay, better.
This one has some chewy stuff in it, like dates or I don't know, but they're chewy. I'm thinking whatever it is wouldn't be chewy if it wasn't cold, but
You're correct on that.
I'm not very good at picking out flavors, but I like this one the least.
I kind of figured you would.
I don't know what this is.
But do you like it or do you not like it?
I wouldn't throw it away. I would eat it, but it's not. It's like I don't know. Do I have something on there?
Yeah, it's a big bite. It's not real big, but
Whatever those little chunks of stuff is kind of it's kind of powdery. I think that's probably my thing. It's not so much of a taste thing for me. It's more of a texture thing. I don't like that texture so much, but it tastes okay.
okay, you ready for what it is?
Yeah, what it is.
It is gray poupon with pretzels.
Okay. As in mustard?
Yes,
So the pretzels are the
crunchy things.
the
or
crunchy, chewy
chewy things.
things. So that's where I get the powdery texture, is from the once most of the ice cream is gone, I'm down to the actual pretzel piece. And I guess because they're suspended in the ice cream, they're more chewy than they're not crunchy at all. I wouldn't throw it away. I mean, it would if you bought this and brought it. Well, you did buy it and bring it home, didn't you? But so it won't go to waste. I will eat this. I don't dislike it. It's more of a texture thing with me, I think. I don't like the way the texture of the pretzels when it's gone. But as far as the flavor is, I think the flavor's okay.
So which one's your favorite?
Probably the first one. What was the first one again?
Bourbon and cherry jubilee.
Yeah, probably that was my favorite. But it's close. The first and second one were pretty close.
So you can take your mask off.
Okay. So that's French vanilla, hot honey.
They're all French vanilla.
Oh, okay. I was trying to see what the little crunchy things were. Like it was little Red Hots or something. Well, I guess I can open. It doesn't look like Red Hots. That's the hot one. Yeah, this was my favorite. This was number 2, and number 3 was number 3. But have you tasted them? Okay. Yeah, it's more of a texture thing on this one for me. I didn't care for the texture so much.
Well, if they would have had the pizza one, I would have got that one.
Well, Gosh, I'm disappointed now.
I can tell, yeah.
Well, there you go.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.